and we're growing. So we're selling products, we're selling brands, and I just want this to open up so many other doors. Black, white, Asian, Latino, it's everybody coming together. When you look at Lunch Card, we're targeting entrepreneurs, we're targeting, and when you look at me as an entrepreneur, I'm an expert at this level, to where when you want to market your business, create your business, this is the site that you want to come to, Lunch Card. People are converting already because we definitely have a freemium plan that nobody else has. Shopify don't even have that. So we're constantly growing with the technology, and this is just the beginning. And I feel like so many other investors want to be a part of this. They're coming. Even by me being a chairman, I'm gonna do things to give people at the bottom an opportunity. I was talking to Greg the other day, like, let's do some crowdfunding. Let's do something we can touch the small people, the people, not just the people that has millions of dollars. Let's do some of these things and show these customers and show these fans that grew up with me that, you know what, I want to be a part of this, jumping this on the beginning, and also give the other, the investors that want to put large amounts into this and watch this company grow. So this is a new beginning for us, boys, hip hop, to be able to be in the tech side of this business, and me myself. So I'm ready to do what I need to do, and it's going to be exciting because we're going to help so many people as we doing this.